Hi, I'm Michael Gianfrancesco. I've been with ATAS for about 6 years now. Just a little bit on my background. I have an associate's degree in marketing, art, and design. I worked in a printing company for 10 years before coming to ATAS. I wound up coming to ATAS because the printing company closed up and I found them at a job fair here in Allentown. I'm a machine operator for trim department, mostly working on various machines in the joints, bending metal for all types of metal, including aluminum, zinc, copper, steel, making downspouts, gutters, wall panels, and other various trims for the buildings. Usually get a customer's order in, and from that order we have standard pieces that we bend up, and then we also sometimes get custom pieces, which are really cool to work with because you have a diagram and you just have to figure it out and how to bend from there. The normal day would be from 7 to 3:30, but there's also overtime, mostly in the, I would say midsummer to mid-fall is the busiest part of the season. It's great to have good working habits, be on time, be professional, have some pride in your work. There's a little bit of the physical demand, moving sheets of metal around, steel's pretty heavy, depending on what gauge it is, lifting up pieces and bending. What I love most about my job is the variety of things. We'll have a book of standard pieces, and then we can also wind up getting totally off the wall, crazy pieces that we have to bend up and figure it out. So it's not the same pretty much every day. I think the employment outlook for this type of business is good because you always need hospitals, buildings, homes, and all types of businesses always need some kind of metal and trim for buildings of all types.